Hi, I'm the Kid, and today we're going to be showing you how to download the Arduino's Integrated Development Environment, or IDE for short. Now, an IDE has to come with, it has to have these three things integrated into it. It has to have a source code editor where you can create your own code. Build automation tools where the computer can see what you build and put it into binary so that the computer can understand it. Finally, a debugger where it debugs, well, it doesn't debug, it just tells you what the bugs are in your coding so that you can fix it yourself. There is an online version of the IDE that you can just get without needing to download it, but we're not going to be showing you how to get that today. Today we're just going to show you how to download the downloadable IDE, and we're going to do that right now. So you want to go into arduino.cc, then go into software, and we're going to be downloading Arduino 1.8.10. And since we use Windows, we're going to be getting the Windows version. You can donate or you can just download. So let's download it. Now we're going to skip ahead because the download takes a while. So let's do that right now. So now that it's done, there will be a terms of service. If you want to read through that, you can, but you should also click I agree, because then you can use it. Now just choose where you're going to put it on your computer, and it'll download, it'll extract. And now a shortcut should appear on your PC. So your Arduino should already come with drivers, but in case if it didn't, then we're going to show you how to install them right now. So you're going to want to search up on your PC, device manager, then go into that. Then you're going to want to go into ports and then Arduino Mega. And then you're going to want to go into driver and then update driver. And then browse my computer for driver software. Then click browse, and then you're going to need to find wherever you put your Arduino. And if the drivers aren't already installed, you should install them. So now you're going to want to go to tools and make sure the correct board is selected. And then you're going to want to select your board. And I'm out. Oh yeah, don't forget to like, subscribe, and ring the bell button for notifications too. Ah!